to work with. So watch out for those viewers. On to the big brokerage call for the day today. CLSA has upgraded Amber Enterprises to an outperform rating. This is after the numbers and the call yesterday, I presume. Hersh Johnson with more details from that note. Hersh, what is CLSA's rationale?
Well, I want to first talk about stock price, Neeraj. The stock is down 19% year to date. So something to keep in mind on the back of that CLSA upgrade. What they've done is they've increased the target price from 7,000 to 7,275. So it's not a meaningful upgrade in terms of target price. That's the other piece I want to quickly highlight. But now offers a 16% upside. Let's talk about Q4. Q4 was in line with consensus as well as CLSA expectations. Revenue growth was strong, 34%. Electronics up 74%. That was where the growth came from. Durables was softer at 25%. Mobility continues to face challenges, 2% growth. In terms of guidance, it was extremely strong. Double-digit revenue growth in durables is what they are penciling in. Electronics to grow at 30 to 40%. Gradual margin improvement from 7% to 10 to 12% over the next 2 years is what management is guiding for, and CLSA is penciling in. Mobility revenue to double in the next 2 years. So that's where some bit of growth will pick up. And India AC sales, from a India standpoint, to grow from 1.5 crore currently to 3 to 3.5 crore in the next 2 years. That is what they will look to capitalize on in terms of opportunity. But the uptick in non-room air conditioner segments is going to be the key to drive margins higher. Electronics to be a key growth driver. The gross capex in this space is expected to be around 3,000 crore. It's expected to contribute to revenue from FY28 onwards. The capex in electronics is under PLI and is likely to generate a very high teens ROC, or rather return on capital employed. As consumer electronics reduces, margins will likely inch up. They are expecting the return on capital employed to rise by another 350 basis points in the next 2 years. JV losses likely to come off. So they've therefore raised the EBITDA by 6 to 9%, upgraded it to an outperform.
Okay, so Amber Enterprises is the big brokerage call this morning. Stock not doing much as of this point. Rahul Sharma, are you tracking Amber? What are you seeing on the charts?
Yeah, so looking at the technical setup, the stock is consolidating around its 50 DMA. Overall, this base is still there in place around the 5,700 mark. And we feel that once it crosses the resistance area of 6,600, there could be a meaningful up move towards the 7,200, 7,300 area. So as of now, this is more of an accumulation zone. The stock may spend some more time around this area, post which, once the breakout happens, one can look to add on to long position. So as of now, 6,000 remains a crucial support, and which is also very close to the 200 EMA, which is placed around the 5,900 mark.